Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of ICYMI. So today's video, we are going to talk about Huawei's brand new flip phone called the Huawei P50 Pocket, and apparently this is more expensive than the current Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, which is crazy. And also, do you have an Acer device that's damaged by the flood? Acer will actually fix it for free regardless of warranty. So to find out more, remember to stay tuned on today's video. Samsung Malaysia has announced a flood relief program to support customers affected by the devastating floods. From now until the 31st of January 2022, Samsung is offering a one-time free cleaning and inspection plus free labor cost to repair affected Samsung products that was damaged by the floods. If you're affected, you can contact Samsung Malaysia's customer service at 1-800-88999 or live chat via Samsung members. You can also reach out to Samsung via their official website to arrange an appointment. The flood relief program is only valid for customers of Samsung products in areas affected by the flood. Customers must make an appointment and send the affected products to Samsung customer service centers before the end of January next year. According to Samsung, the inspection, cleaning, and repair service will be arranged accordingly to the availability of its service personnel. The free inspection and cleaning service is only for products with water damage due to the floods, and it isn't applicable for other types of damage, including mishandling or cracked screen. Meanwhile, the free labor cost is only for repairs provided and does not include the cost of spare parts. As part of the Jendela initiative, Malaysia aims to shut down all 3G networks by the end of this year. Initially, Digi has scheduled to turn off its 3G networks for northern and central regions, but they have announced a new update to keep 3G going until early next year in light of the recent floods and potential wet days ahead. According to the new schedule, 3G networks in northern states such as Kedah, Perak, Perlis and Penang will be switched off on the 3rd of January 2022 instead of the 20th of December. Meanwhile, the 3G shutdown for central states such as Selangor, Kuala Lumpur and Putrajaya will be postponed from the 22nd of December to 6th of January 2022. 3G shutdown for Sarawak will still go ahead as scheduled on the 30th of December 2021. According to the table, eastern and southern states as well as Sabah would have already completed their 3G shutdown. With the shutdown of 3G, the spectrum can be used to enhance 4G coverage and services. Users with legacy 3G phones are advised to switch over to a newer 4G devices with voice over LTE. Well, here it is! Huawei's brand new flip phone, which is called the Huawei P50 Pocket, is now official. There will be two configurations of the Huawei P50 Pocket available, with the most expensive one being a premium edition coming in a gold colorway with a rather unique texture over the chassis. So far, only availability in China has been confirmed, though there's been rumors that Huawei are also planning to launch the P50 Pocket in other regions too. In terms of pricing, the Huawei P50 Pocket that comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is priced at 8,988 RMB, which is around 5,900 ringgit, while the higher spec variant that comes with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage is priced at 10,988 RMB, which is around 7,200 ringgit. It is definitely not the cheapest foldable smartphone out there because the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is only priced at 3,999 ringgit. But let's talk about the specs. As you can already tell, the iconic feature here is the 1.04-inch circular outer display. Under the hood, you'll get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. But it is very likely that this device will not come with 5G and also Google mobile services if it arrives in Malaysia. Following the devastating floods that hit several regions throughout the country, Acer Malaysia has announced that they will be offering their help to the victims with a new repair program. Anyone affected by the floods and have their Acer products damaged by it will be able to reach out to Acer Malaysia and get it fixed for free, even if it's out of warranty. But that's not all. Acer Malaysia will also help you to repair non-Acer devices, but with a fee. Of course, not every laptop or computer can be safe, and so Acer will also offer a 20% discount on any new desktop or laptop device from Acer Malaysia's eStore if your device is damaged beyond repair. You don't have to rush for it either because the repair and discount program will be going until the 31st of March 2022. If you have an Acer device damaged in the floods or would like to send your non-Acer device to them anyway, you can contact Acer Malaysia at 1-800-881918 or email ama.acercare@acer.com for more information. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!